In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on TradeZero. Now, if you're inside your client portal over here, you have to go ahead and click on Trade up top, and then you can launch the Zero Web, Zero Free, or you can use any of these as well, or even download it to your computer. But for this, I'm going to show you how to actually trade on the Zero Web. Now, up here, when you open this up, you're going to have to sign into your account. You have received your login credentials onto your email after you opened up your account. So for me, I'm using the paper trading version of TradeZero, and I received my username, my login onto my email, and the password was the same as I was using to actually sign up for the account. Now in here, you want to go ahead and once you're in the platform, scroll down, and here you can see, of course, a bunch of different things. I have a video on how to use this, so you can check that out if you want to. But here, to actually start trading, you can just go ahead and go to the bottom left here, type in the name of the symbol you're trying to trade. So, for example, I'm going to do NVIDIA. There we go. I'm going to click on that. And then down here, you can go ahead and set your quantity, the route, the type of order you would like to do, the expiration, and then the account as well. So if you only have one account, your only one is going to pop over here. If you have multiple, make sure you have the correct one selected. Now, after that, you can go ahead and even display quantity. You can set the prices and stop prices in case that's the order you are doing. And then you can go ahead and buy, sell, short, or cover. Okay, so that's completely up to you. Of course, you can do whatever you want. I just wanted to show you how to actually initiate trades. You can do the same on the chart over here. Click on the order, top right, and you can see pretty much the same exact dashboard as you have here at the bottom left. Now, that's how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.